Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into my comprehensive review of Grow Credit for 2025. If you're trying to build or repair your credit, this could be a game changer, but let's get into the details so you can decide if it's right for you. First off, what exactly is Grow Credit? It's a user-friendly platform designed to help you establish and improve your credit score by reporting everyday payments like rent, utilities, and subscriptions to major credit bureaus. No more hidden payments flying under the radar. One of the standout features in 2025 is their enhanced app integration, which uses AI to track and report your bills automatically. This makes it super easy to get started. Just link your accounts, and you're good to go. Plus, they offer personalized credit building plans based on your financial history, helping you set achievable goals. Now, let's talk pros. Grow Credit is affordable, with plans starting at just $10 a month, and it's accessible even if you have little to no credit history. Users often see improvements in their scores within a few months, which is a big win. It's also transparent about how it works, so no surprises there. But, as with any service, there are cons to consider. Some users report that results aren't immediate, and it might not work as well if you don't have consistent payments to report. Additionally, there are fees involved, and it's not a magic fix. If you're deep in debt, you might need more comprehensive financial advice. Overall, for 2025, Grow Credit is a solid option if you're committed to building credit step by step. I'd recommend it for beginners or those with steady income streams. If you're interested, head to their website and sign up today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.